Our world is already a new world. The way we move has changed. How we communicate. Our way of life. In an era where products become experiences. Will we continue to wash and care for our vehicles as before? Definitely not. Your customers evolve, and we must anticipate their needs. Connect, attend, facilitate, surprise, captivate, entertain. This is our vision. And so are our solutions, global and complete. Because to offer more to your customers is investing in your profitability. Will you join us? Istobal, welcome to the smart wash world.